It's a 2018 Honda Odyssey. From a hood to hatch, it offers all the comforts and conveniences you could want. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Doors and push-button start proximity key. Front heated leather bucket seats. Streaming audio. Auto-dimming rear view mirror. External memory control. Remote engine start. Dual zone climate control. V6 engine. Power sliding and tilting sunroof. And power heated mirrors. Kelley Blue Book states, in everyday driving, the Odyssey's suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride. Yet the settings aren't so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.